Don't forget, working out decreases stress and increases productivity, so a lot of your reasons why not are actually reasons why you should be working out. My name is Earl, and today here at E3 Strength, I'm going to be going over several exercises that you guys can do in order in 30 minutes to burn fat and build muscle. Like any great workout, ours starts with a great warm-up. We're going to be doing a T-spine rotation out of the Spider-Man position, and we're going to throw in a front raise. Step any foot beside it with the same hand, and then straighten your back leg. This is the Spider-Man position. From here, whatever foot you have forward, you're going to rotate that hand toward the ceiling. Before you do that, do a front raise. There's your front raise, and then your T-spine rotation. You're going to do that 5 times per side. Your first giant set of exercises starts with a shuffle. So for a shuffle, you're going to have a small amount of space because you're likely doing this at home. So just go as far as you can in one direction and then back, and do that for the time listed. So shuffle is like this. Try never to actually bring your feet together, keeping a little separation. That's going to get the inner thighs going while also opening up and working your glutes and your hips. The next move is a Cossack Squat. This is the Swiss Army knife of leg exercises because it does mobility while actually working on the traditional muscles of a squat, but also a single leg squat at the same time. So with an extra wide stance, you're going to rotate one toe toward the ceiling and then drive your hips back so that you can still read the logo on your shirt if you were looking in the mirror. It becomes more of a deadlift if you tilt down, so be sure to keep your chest up. You're going to do that per side for the reps listed, and the last exercise you have is a squat thrust with lateral hops. So a squat thrust, you're going to be squatting down, kick out, in, and then lateral hop, and then repeat. Now if you can't hop side to side, obviously a quick step will work as well, in which case that's what you will be doing for your shuffle in A1. Your next set of exercises starts with a jumping jack and then a drop squat. The jumping jack's easy. You've probably done it plenty of times before. The one thing we want to tell you about is that T-Rexes don't do jumping jacks, so make sure you get that full range of motion, assuming that your shoulders can handle it. Once you're done with that for the time listed, you're going to do a drop squat, where you're starting from a normal squat stance position, and then jump up and absorb down, pause, and then come back up. What you won't find in the workout in the PDF below is that you'll be holding for 5 seconds at the bottom, so be sure to get that hold in. Here's what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Okay, so it's like a reverse jump squat. You're absorbing down and emphasizing the hold. Your last pair of exercises is a skater hop and a Bulgarian split squat. The skater hop, we're gonna be hopping as far as we can to one side, cross your back leg behind the front, being sure not to drop your back knee and turning it into a curtsy lunge. Here's what it looks like. Hop, cross, straight back leg, a little bit of glute activity here, cross over to the other side, same thing. You're hopping as far as you possibly can. Do whatever you need to with your hands to get momentum and to stay balanced. The Bulgarian split squat, you're going to need to elevate your back foot. We're going to use a stool here that we have at the gym. Now you have a chair, books, I could use the edge of this treadmill if I need to. Anything that will allow you to put your laces or your toe down so that you can elevate your rear foot. So I'm going to slip my foot in here, put my laces on the bottom rung, and then do a split squat. Straight down, straight up. And I'm going to do this for the reps listed, all on one leg, and then switch over and do the same thing on my other leg. Once you're done with that, you've done all the exercises, but you still have a finisher. The finisher is to end your workout on a high note, exhausting whatever energy you have left and really releasing endorphins so that you have creativity, energy, and productivity for the rest of your day. We're gonna be doing spider climbers. So it's just like any other mountain climber, except we're going outside the body with the knee tuck. Here's what it looks like. Once you're in that hand plank position, opposite hand, opposite knee to opposite hand, and you're gonna start doing that as fast as you can. You can see that one gets out of hand pretty quick. That's the end of your workout. I hope that you found this workout and this instructional video helpful. If you have, please give us a like, a comment, or a share. And for more great information, first, subscribe here, or check out any one of our other videos here, or at e3strength.com. Thanks.